In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your Shein account seamlessly. If you're looking to shop more conveniently on Shein, adding money to your account in advance can be a helpful way to streamline your purchases. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Shein account. To do this, go to the Shein website or open the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure you're entering your correct login credentials to access your account smoothly. If enabled, you can also opt for a quicker login via biometric authentication, like fingerprint or face recognition, depending on your device settings. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now let's navigate to the section known as My Wallet, or sometimes referred to as Account Balance. This is typically found within your account settings or in the main navigation menu, depending on whether you're using the website or the app. My Wallet is where you manage your account funds, allowing you to easily see your current balance and transaction history. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section as it provides quick access to all things related to your account balance. Once you're in the My Wallet section, the next step is to look for an option like Add Money or Top Up. This option is your gateway to adding funds to your account. Click on it and you'll be prompted to proceed with selecting your payment method and inputting the amount you'd like to add. Take a moment here to decide how much you want to top up. It's often helpful to consider your forthcoming shopping plans, so you add an amount that fits your expected purchases. At this point, choose your preferred payment method. Shein generally offers various options like credit cards, debit cards, or third-party payment services. Select the method that works best for you. With your payment method chosen, enter the amount you wish to add. Double check this amount before moving forward to ensure accuracy, as this will help to avoid any unintentional overloading or under budgeting for your wallet. Finally, after reviewing all your details, confirm the transaction. This is a critical step because it finalizes the process of adding money, allowing you to proceed with peace of mind. The funds should appear in your Shein balance instantly, signifying a successful transaction. From here on out, you're ready to shop hassle-free, knowing that your account is preloaded with the funds you'll need for your stylish purchases. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your shopping budget on Shein by adding funds to your account in advance. We hope this guide has been helpful, making your shopping experience even smoother. Happy shopping!